Good morning and welcome to follow along our first official full day in Saint-Florent, Corsica. We woke up early in the morning and had some breakfast at the hotel. We also had very cute company with us, as you can see. The hotel offers a petite breakfast for an extra charge and we really enjoyed it. After breakfast we headed out to get some water from a nearby store. So many good boys on the move today.
We decided to buy boat tickets to the Lotu beach. Lotu is a beach in the Adriatic Desert and you can get there by boat in around 20 minutes from the port of Saint-Florent. The beach is also reachable by hiking and you can get relatively close to the beach by car, but because of the difficult terrain it's not recommended that you drive there without a four-wheel drive car. We took the easiest option to get there.
During summer, a floating pier is installed here to make this beautiful region more accessible by the sea. I mean, just look how breathtaking this place is. Here we already spotted some cows on the beach. Animal lover Linda ran straight to see them. Cows ended up being one of our favorite memories from this entire trip. This one was my spiritual animal.
We really enjoyed swimming and exploring the underwater views at Lotu Beach, and we didn't think that it was too crowded despite being high season. We wanted to check out a smaller beach in the nearby area, so we started walking along a trail to get there. This same trail will also eventually lead back to Saint-Florent. We highly recommend good shoes for this trail. Our slippers weren't the best option, but we managed to get where we were going.
Careful. We reached the beach. Super excited.
Look at these views! This was absolutely worth the walk.
After spending a wonderful time here, it was time to head back to Lotu Beach to catch the boat to Saint-Florent.
We hadn't yet learned the local restaurant opening times, so we got some snacks while waiting for them to open.
Food, please.
Most restaurants open for dinner by 7 o'clock in the evening, and while waiting we went to look at nearby areas. After a delicious dinner, we went for a walk to look at the sunset by the citadel.
We wandered further away from the center and came across the cathedral, where we also spotted a donkey. After a day full of new memories behind us, we decided to go back to the hotel and get some rest for the next day. Thank you guys so much for watching. See ya!